It is currently day 3 already here in Osaka and I'm currently getting ready. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung pwede itong damit ko because I feel like it's too much skin, but anyway. I'm just gonna get ready and I'll update you guys later because today is going to be our Kyoto day. And that is my update. I'll see you guys later and I'll update you guys later pag nakaalis na kami ng bahay. Bahay ng Airbnb. Okay, see you guys later. Guys lang ako.
JR 東西線and subway lines.
It's so nice here. Alam kung ano yung lugar, yung name ng lugar specifically, but we are currently here na. Ay, nakakapagod kasi sobrang init, tapos medyo uphill yung lugar. Mamaya pa tayo, dito tayo sa traditional shopping zone on a hill. Pero yun, we are a bit tired. Okay. Can we go inside? Lalakarin pa natin.
Kagawa na yan.
Ay, yung
ワンサード。これにカップ入れる。これいい。
Separate.
これいい。
Yeah.
はい。
Thank you.
はい、どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。Sobrang pagod na kami. Kasi sobrang init dito, as in. Dapat pauwi na kami, papuntang train station. Pero na-distract kami sa may parang gantong area na mukha siyang street something. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? But ayan. And we're just looking around. Some of it are closed. Pero wala na tayong tatawiran. Yun lang. Titingin lang kami. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako, pero chika ko lang saglit. This is my childhood. Like itong Glico ice cream thing na vending machine. Tapos hindi ko siya na-try last Tokyo. At hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa siya na-try. Ngayon pa lang. And I'm really, really excited. So, I'm gonna get this. I'm so excited! Childhood ko to, oh my gosh. got off the train station. It's 8:55. And we are on our way back to our Airbnb. We are very tired. Feeling ko, kaya madami kaming nagala ng Tokyo is because it's colder. Eh ngayon, sorry po. Eh ngayon, like, kahit kaya naman na namin maggala and all, sobrang init dito, as in. I mean, medyo same sa Pinas, pero kasi malagkit sa Pinas eh. Dito sakto lang, pero mainit pa rin talaga dito. And like, every, siguro what, 20 minutes, lagi kaming napapaupo and all. Kasi nakakapagod talaga. Napabili pa ako ng pamaypay sa sobrang init. So yun, pauwi na kami. Pag uwi ko, I will try to do a little haul of things that I got for the past 2 days. Kasi nga, kahapon lang naman ako like nag-start maggala. But ayun, that is that. That is my update. I'll see you guys sa Airbnb na lang siguro. Medyo nahiya kasi ako mag-film sa Family Mart and all, especially when they're like people and like yung mga staff and everything. Pero yun, that is that. I'll see you guys in the Airbnb. It's 9:30. We're back at the Airbnb and I'm going to show you my quick little Kyoto haul. So first thing I got is t-shirts na iba pang pasalubong ko. Dalawa lang naman. So I got very basic lang. I got this one, says Japan. And then this one, that says Japan as well, but it's colored black. Yan. I got only 2. The next thing I got is this fan. Kasi init na ako kanina. I got this at a cute little shop na lola yung nagbebenta. And it costs 400 yen. This is the cheapest. Kasi ang dami nagbebenta. 1,500, 800. So I got this one. And then I stopped again sa isang Studio Ghibli na store. You know me. Lagi ako magsastop doon. I got this handkerchief na Spirited Away theme. Honestly, hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalaki and ano ba talaga yung design niya. But I saw this, so I had to get it. And then I also got this. This is a little coin purse na Totoro. Sobrang cute! Ayan. Tapos, ayan. So cute. Tapos pwede ko siyang isabit sa bag. And then, ano pa to? I got, should I be showing this? Pasalubong kasi yung iba dito. Hindi ko alam kung ipapakita ko. Sige na nga, pakita ko na nga. These are pasalubongs. So I got Omamori. These are good luck somethings. Hindi ko, anong English translation ng Omamori?
Wala, charm lang ang alam.
Paano ba siya i-describe? Basta Omamori, like, paano ko ba i-explain to? Tangina, pagod na ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain. Basta Omamori, they're like charms na in specific, like parang good wealth, good or successful career, more money, healthy relationships, parang mga ganon, study, safe driving, mga ganon type of things. So I got this one. This is pasalubong. Everything is pasalubong. So I got this one. Maghahanap pa ako tomorrow. Dapat ba pinapakita ko na? Sana hindi nyo na lang papanoorin. I also got this one. And then, I also got keychains na pasalubong din. Sorry, pinapakita ko na. Sana hindi nyo na lang pinapanood. Huwag nyo na lang panoorin, please. These are cute! Tada! These are like Lucky Cat keychains. Tada! These are cute! Okay, that is the haul. Pakita ko pa rin ba yung haul ko kahapon? Honest, pagod na ako and also pinak ko na siya, but it's just a bunch of snacks and a few clothes from GU and Uniqlo. Shorts lang naman, tsaka socks. Nothing really interesting, but ayun, I'm very tired. Gusto ko na magpahinga, gusto ko na maligo. And mag-aayos na din ako ng gamit. Tomorrow is my last full day dito sa Osaka. It's going to be my solo day, which means kanya-kanya kaming buhay bukas. I'm also going to bring my luggage so I don't have to carry a lot of shit because I'm tired as well. Anyway, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed day 2. My day 2 dito sa Osaka. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Ayoko na ipakita yung Airbnb kasi super kalat na, but melon pan tasting.
Yan na bang kinababaliwan niya?
Tapos hindi ako nagtanong kung ano.
Hindi ba lang siya siyang Filipino bakery?
Or baka hindi lang maganda yung melon pan na
Kasi,
binili natin.
Convenience store.
Dapat, kapag ganyan dapat bakery.
Nothing special, to be honest. I'm so sorry.
Sa tingin mo, saan ako na...
Hey guys, good morning. It's 6:30 something ata. And I'm gonna make breakfast. Tulog pa yung mga tao dito, pero try kong hinaan lahat. But this is my breakfast. I got this at 7-Eleven. This is fried rice in a cup, which is so cute. Okay, anyway, I'll try to figure this out. Tingnan natin if that is gonna cook because I removed so much of the plastic lid, which hindi naman pala dapat, but yeah. So this is what my rice looks like. Ang bango niya, to be honest. It's like this. Ayan. It looks so good. Okay, anyway, tulog pa yung mga tao dito at nagdadaldal ako dito. So today is going to be our solo day. Like, may kanya-kanya kami buhay ngayon. Why? Because ang plano talaga sa Osaka is sasamahan yung kapatid ko mag-concert. That's all. Tapos parang doon namin ni-revolve yung schedule namin of like everything that happened beforehand, like yung USJ, Kyoto, stuff like that. And yun talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa Osaka, which is samahan yung kapatid ko. And then now, since today is yung concert day, lahat kami may kanya-kanya ng plano. My sister's going to watch the concert, Carlos is going to do something, I'm going to do something. So for my plans for today, I'm going to this temple mamaya. And aagahan ko umalis. Because lately, we've been heading out like 10, 11-ish. Mga 10 naman, ganun. So I'm heading out a bit early. Next, I think I'm gonna go to Osaka Castle kasi hindi namin napuntahan yun nung isang araw. And then, I'm just gonna spend the rest of the afternoon going shopping and all. Yeah, those are my plans for today. I'll bring you guys along. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga clips na pinag-film ko and all. But yeah, kakain muna ako. Tikman muna natin. Pwede na. Okay, kakain muna ako. I'm on my way to the train station. 10-minute walk lang naman to. Ang first kong pupuntahan is itong temple. It's called Nambayasaka Jinja ata. And yun. So, see you guys there. Bumaba na akong station and I'm walking to the temple. Medyo maingay kasi uso yung insekto dito na naririnig niyo ba yun? Mga cicadas ata tawag doon. Hindi ko alam. But ayun, I think I'm near na. So, I guess I'll see you guys around. Sana pwede itong suot ko kasi hindi ako nag-research. Walking on my way to the store na nasasadyain ko kasi may nagpapabili. It's a 15-minute walk galing dun sa temple na pinuntahan ko kanina. I mean, enjoy naman maglakad and all because I get to see. Nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Enjoy naman ako maglakad and all kasi I get to see a lot of stuff. But the thing is, it's so hot na feeling ko itong suot ko na jeans very wrong because I am sweating inside. Like literally, pinagpapawisan na yung legs ko sa loob. And sobrang init talaga. May mga taong tumadaan. Anyway, I'll update you guys later. Nahihiya na ako mag-vlog. And even look at me, I'm sweating. Okay. See you guys later. I'm done with the first place that I needed to go to. And now I'm going to the second place. It's just a place na full of hobbies and shit. Alam mo yung mga... Ang lakas pala ng boses ko. Mga animes, Gundams, Tamiya. Mga ganun type of shit. So I went there. Look at this place. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. I also bought water sa mga vending machines lang dito. Kasi sobrang init talaga. Actually, kasalanan ko din kasi wala akong payong. But it's so hot. And I feel like yung initim ko sa La Union, ganun din yung iniitim ko dito sa Japan. I think I'm a bit close na. Mga 7 minutes. But yeah, I have to walk. Sobrang init talaga, ang lala ng init. And I'm sweating through my jeans. Baka magpalit ako ng shorts ulit, yung sinuot ko ng isang araw. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Sobrang init. Actually, mas happy ako nang may bit-bit akong luggage kahit ang annoying niya. Like, kasi nga ang ingay. Pero okay lang, at least hindi pagod yung shoulders ko. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna continue walking and stop talking. Kailangan rhyme. Okay, bye! I'm currently at the bus stop. First time ko lang magbabus alone dito sa Japan. My bus arrives in 3 minutes and I'm currently waiting lang dito. Tada! Yun lang naman ang aking update. Sobrang init. Gusto ko nang palit talaga ng damit. But, mamaya na lang. After ko mag-photos, and then, I'll change. By the way, I'm off to Dotonbori again. I'm gonna get lunch there. Kakain ako ng sushi kasi feeling ko kaya ko naman na. But, I'll go slow with it. And, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung rinig ako. Medyo mahangin. I'm so sorry. Okay. Antayin ko lang yung bus ko. Bye! Andito din kami last night. Ayun, kita niyo yung parang daanan doon. Tapos dito din kami tumawid. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako. Ayun, anong ingay? Okay, anyway. So, I'm gonna meet up with Carlos. Sabay daw kaming kakain ng lunch. And, yeah. Yun lang. That is my update. At the Osaka Castle right now. I don't know if you can hear the bugs, the cicadas right now. Since ang daming ganun here, but I'm currently at the Osaka Castle. I don't know if you can see it. Nasaan ba siya? sa ayun. I'll be going closer in a bit, pero in-update ko lang kayo because I feel like I haven't been chatty and all, but so far, super happy naman ako. And even though it's like super duper hot and stuff, I'm super duper happy right now. And yeah, that is that. Even though like it is a solo day and I'm not with anybody right now, super duper happy ko ngayon. Yun lang. Okay, see you guys doon. On my way to the train station and I'm headed to Shin Imamiya Station. Basta yung area kung saan nagpunta yung sister ko and Carlos noong day 1, kung saan di ako nakasama. I also changed into shorts pala kasi pinagpapawisan na yung legs ko, as in. So I had to change into shorts. Hindi ko alam, haggard ko na, what the hell? Hindi ko sure yung dinadaanan ko, pero ay, wala na akong ibang madaldal kundi mainit lang dito. Pero fun naman dito, masaya naman ako dito, even though I'm like sweaty and like konting galaw, pawis agad, masaya naman ako dito. Tingnan natin kung saan ako makakalabas nito kasi alam. Baka ito, JR Osaka. Ay, ito nga. Ang galing ko. Ay. Okay. I'll see you guys in a bit. Pretty here. Look. Am I regretting that I brought a luggage? Na, kasi hindi naman na masakit yung arms ko, but I have to carry this around kapag walang escalator. So, wish me luck. Good loads. Ay, tas ang init pa.
Train to Bentencho, Nishikujo, and Osaka.
I just got off the station. Ayan. And now I'm going to Tsutenkaku. Hindi ko alam ang pronunciation, pero insert ko na lang dito kung ano yung name. But yeah, that's where I'm heading now. And I will grab my first meal of the day there. Kasi hindi pa ako kumakain ng proper meal. Except like yung rice kaninang umaga. Pinagtitinginan na ako dito kasi ang daldal ko. Ano? Wait, I have... Oh no. Hindi pala ako abot. Okay. Magdadaldal muna ako. So, that is the plan. This is what the place looks like. Tada! Actually, wala pa naman ako doon. Pero, some Kura sushi! Finally! I'm so excited. Okay, paano mag-ingay?
Welcome.
First sushi of the trip on my last day. Kasama ko na si Carlos.
Huh? Hi.
We're off to Donkey. I'm back in an overwhelming Don Quixote. Na-overwhelmed talaga ako dito kasi sobrang dami mong pwedeng mabili at hindi ko na alam ang bibilhin pag ganito. But yeah, I'm back in Donkey. Gets ko na kung bakit ako na-overwhelmed. It's because there's additional like sounds and shit, like music. And yung mga commercial things. I'm so confused. Nasa na ba? Reunited. After our solo day, pauwi na kaming Airbnb. It's 11:18. Kanino pa kami nasa Airbnb, nagpapack lang and inaayos and nagdadaldalan and stuff. But I'm having gyoza for dinner. Saan nyo ito binili? Hindi nyo alam? Basta from
May
a little
local
restaurant downstairs. Tapos ayun. Bukas flight na namin. Mga 2. And ayun lang. Super pagod lang ako. Hindi na ako na... Ano bang last kong in-update? Nasa train station siguro. Pero ayun. Pagod na ako. Baka tomorrow I'll still vlog. And ayun, sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog ngayon. Hindi ko alam na naman kung ano yung mga pinagdadadaldal ko. But ayun. See you guys in the next one. Bye! Pagod na ako. Hi! Good morning! It's the next day. Today is our flight day. And I'm sad kasi tapos na kami sa Osaka. At the same time, I'm very, very happy because I get to go home to Haku and I get to edit this vlog. But yeah, everybody's still sleeping, so medyo madilim dito. Anyway, for breakfast, I had yung milk donut and then I'm also having this The Tour coffee. Hindi ko siya napupuntahan sa physical store because medyo kinakabahan pa akong like mag-food trip or magkape ng maayos out in public because of what happened sa akin nung unang araw sa Osaka. So yan. So that's why I'm settling for this one. Nabili ko sa Family Mart. It tastes so good for like convenience store coffee. Sobrang sarap. Mamayang 2 pa ata yung flight namin and my bags are already fixed. I don't think I'll be doing a haul. Hindi ko sure kung gagawa ko ng haul kasi hindi ko alam kung interesado pa kayo. We'll see. But yeah. Hindi pa ako ready umuwi. Like, na-enjoy ko yung stay ko sa Osaka. even though it's like really, really, really hot here. And happy naman ako here. But yeah, that is all. I'll see you guys siguro sa when we head to the airport. I don't know how I'll vlog that because ang dami kong bit-bit, but we'll see. Problema ko na ngayon is how am I going to bring this luggage and also this. This one weighs 17, the other weighs saktong 7 down here. Wish me luck. Sana hindi ako malaglag. Bye, Airbnb.
Bye. Tagal natin dito.
We're at the train station and it's like 11 minutes lang. Ganito nakagrabe yung pawis ko. Just by walking here. Anyway, we're just waiting for the train. This is what it looks like. Wait lang. Ayan, antayin lang namin.
Anong line?
Hindi ko na kaya mag-film. Okay, mamaya na lang.
Takot ako. Uy!
We are now at our boarding gate. Kita niyo ba? Yan. And that's the plane. Ay, hindi niyo kita. Tada! Yan, tumayo talaga ako para ipakita. And we made it just in time. Kahit mga 10 kami umalis. Pero yeah, we're about to board in a bit. It's going to be a 4-hour flight. And I guess I'll see you guys back in the Philippines. Hindi ko alam kung mag-vlog pa ako. Pero sana na-enjoy niyo itong mga Osaka vlogs and all. And thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna do a haul, a separate video or something. We'll see. Pero baka hindi na ako gumawa ng haul. Wait. Hello? Hello?